Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin now. Put on gloves and protect your shoulders and skin with petroleum jelly. Measure 20 volume developer and add equal parts baking soda. Stir in a ceramic bowl until smooth. Once done, clip hair into 4 sections and release one section to work. Apply a thin line at the roots first, then comb through with a dye brush. This helps even saturation. Make sure to keep the mixture moving so it doesn't clump, and avoid contact with scalp when possible. You continue by systematically coating the next sections, apply from roots to mid-length, then work towards ends to prevent banding. Once applied, comb through gently so the baking soda developer paste spreads evenly. Monitor the color every 5 to 7 minutes under good light. Lightly rinse a small strand to check lift. If you see brassiness, stop earlier and neutralize. Make sure to keep timing strict. Overprocessing causes breakage, so set a timer and prepare to rinse promptly when desired lift appears. You finish by rinsing thoroughly with cool water until the paste is gone. Follow with a gentle sulfate-free shampoo and towel dry. Once dry, apply toner or a purple-based conditioner to neutralize unwanted warm tones, then use a deep conditioning mask to restore moisture. If you experience burning, extreme redness, or hair breaking, stop now, rinse with water, and consult a professional. The key troubleshooting tip is, do not continue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.